Okay, we're trying this again. Here's the cookies. There's one side, and this is a Stark. The wolf, can you see that? I don't know. I'll put that there. This is guy's face, which is, I forget which one that is. White Walkers. Stark. Stark. White Walkers. Oh wait, the broken one. This is a lion. Oh, that's Lannister. The dragon. Targaryen. It's Stark. The lion. White Walkers. Stark. Ooh, more Stark. White Walkers. Lion. Stark. Wow, there's a lot of Stark. Lion, dragon, Stark again, White Walkers, the lion and the dragon. Oh, one more row. Dragon, Stark, White Walkers, lion, dragon, Stark, lion, White Walkers, dragon, Stark. Oh my goodness. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 10 Stark. 6 Targaryen, which is a dragon. 7 Lannister. And 7 White Walker. So interesting. I'm sure they'll be yummy. I don't know if you can see them or not. Oh, it's all dark. Anyways. That's my review. I haven't eaten them yet, but they look yummy. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.